In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make FigJam background black. If you're working late, presenting in a dark room, or you just prefer a sleek, high-contrast canvas, switching your FigJam board to a black background is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll share a few practical tips so everything on your board still looks great afterward. Start by opening your FigJam board. Make sure you're on the board where you want the background to change, and give it a second to fully load so the Tools panel is ready. Once you're in, look for the plus button in the Tools area. This button opens the panel where you can browse and search for add-ons and helpful utilities that work right inside your board. Click the plus button, and in the search field that appears, type Custom FigJam Background. You're looking for the tool that specifically handles background colors for FigJam. This tool is designed to apply a board-wide background without you having to manually place a shape, resize it, or lock it behind your content. It's a cleaner, more consistent approach, especially for collaborative boards. When you find it, click Run. As soon as it launches, the tool will do the heavy lifting for you. By default, it sets the background to black, so you don't need to tweak any settings unless you want something different later. You should see your board instantly switch to a deep black canvas. Your existing sticky notes, drawings, connectors, and widgets will remain exactly where they are. Only the background changes, which helps keep your layout intact. To make the change permanent, click Save, Apply, or a similarly labeled confirmation button inside the tool. This step ensures the black background sticks to your board so that when you or your collaborators return, you'll see the same dark theme. If you don't confirm, the change may be temporary and could revert during your session. A couple of quick tips to keep your content readable on black. Choose lighter sticky notes or switch your text color to white for maximum contrast, and consider using bright colors for pens and shapes so they pop. If you plan to present or export, the black background carries through, giving your content a polished, dark mode look. And that's it. Open your FigJam board, use the plus button to find the custom FigJam background tool, run it, enjoy the default black, and then save your changes. Simple, fast, and easy on the eyes.